Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Fashion. So you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some exclusive collections, mostly Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani and others also. So let me display pure handloom one, very smart looks traditional also. This one also very beautiful one, pure handloom soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, beautiful color combinations, also off white with red contrast looks. This one full piece part Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, and this one full piece part beautiful Dhakai weaving work. This one is border portions, heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, and this one full base part beautiful weaving work, fully hand weaving soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one is pallu part, heavy worked pallu, and this one full base part, very beautiful smart looks, bright also. This one full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length Dhakai Jamdani, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material buta work, heavy buta work contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks, elegant also. This one also same material, same pattern, different color, beautiful one, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one full base part heavy work. This one is border portions, contrast color, threaded weaving design, Dhakai weaving design border, beautiful heavy work. And this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta work, full base. This one is full base part, soft lightweight soft resham Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, and full length is weaving work, very nice one. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, a heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, pallu contrast color, threaded weaving Dhakai Jamdani work, pallu very elegant looks, smart also, traditional looks. This one is full base. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks, traditional also. This one also beautiful one, white base with soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, white base with heavy weaving work, full base part is heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one border portions, heavy worked Dhakai worked border, and full base part is beautiful weaving buta design, full base part same heavy work. And this one pallu part, pallu also very bright looks, contrast color, fully threaded weaving design, pallu part very beautiful one. And this one full base part, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, bright beautiful looks without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one is border, heavy worked border, contrast color, and this one is full base, beautiful one, smart looks. And I will suggest this silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding smart elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations also, sky blue shade, light sky blue shade with heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, very bright beautiful looks, same pattern, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. And this one border portions, beautiful Dhakai weaving work border, heavy worked border. This one is beautiful weaving work, and this one is full base part buta design. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, threaded weaving design, fine weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one full base part, heavy worked full base part is work without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this sari for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, elegant one, premium quality soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, white base, pure white. And this one full base part is beautiful heavy Jamdani work. This one is border portions, fully Dhakai Jamdani work border. And this one full base part, beautiful contrast color, threaded weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work, soft lightweight obviously, and this one pallu part, heavy contrast color threaded weaving design, fine jamdani work pallu, and this one full base part, very beautiful one, smart looks, elegant also. This one full base part without running blouse piece, only sari length. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, white base with Dhakai Jamdani work, heavy work. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart looks. This one also very beautiful one, very nice one, smart, trendy looks, based for your party wear, premium quality, pure handloom, half matka, half muslin, and muslin portion is beautiful, weaving polka design, golden zari weaving polka design. This one is muslin part, half upper portions transparent muslin with golden zari weaving polka work. This one is half portions, very nice one. And this one matka, half portion is matka, pure handloom, matka base. This one is matka splits, and this one is upper base part muslin, and this one is running blouse piece. And this one pallu, very beautiful one, golden zari with matka weaving stripes design, fine stripes design, pallu end. And this one upper portions muslin with polka weaving design, and this one is pallu end, and splits is matka. This one is splits. Beautiful color combinations, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, very nice one, premium quality, pure handloom, linen by cotton with beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work, very exclusive one. This one off-white base, linen by cotton. This one is contrast color, 1 inch border, gray shade, and white off-white base. And this one beautiful Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one, elegant looks, soft, lightweight also. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is upper base part fully worked Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one is pallu end, same Dhakai Jamdani work, pallu end is fine highlighted stripes, very beautiful, smart, elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also beautiful one, beautiful work also, premium quality, pure handloom, resham silk with beautiful weaving design work, full base part. Sorry, this one is full base part, pure resham silk with high contrast color threaded weaving design, jamdani work, full base part, very soft, lightweight also, transparent pure resham silk. And this one is pallu in contrast color, fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part is pure resham silk with jamdani work. This one is running blouse piece, and this one full base part Dhakai Jamdani, Jamdani work, hand weaving Jamdani design, very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, transparent, pure resham silk. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, bright also, best for your party wear. This one also very beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with heavy work, very beautiful one, same pattern. Today I have draped different color. This one is baby pink base with beautiful bottom portions, heavy work, Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one, smart, elegant, bright looks, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one is full bottom portions, border portions, heavy worked without running blouse piece, only sari length, pink base, full base part is buta work. And this one pallu and beautiful heavy Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. This one is pallu, very smart looks. And I will suggest this brocade work, silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Also very beautiful one, very elegant color combinations, gray shade with beautiful contrast color threaded weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, same pattern today I have draped. This one full base part, this one is border portions, beautiful bottom portions, beautiful heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one, fine weaving work, Dhakai Jamdani work, very beautiful bright looks. And this one, full base part, beautiful buta design, floral buta without running blouse piece, only sari length, Bengal traditional soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. Very nice one, heavy worked bottom portions. This one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy fine Dhakai Jamdani work. Smart bright looks, elegant also, gray shade. This one, full base part, and this one is border portions. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart elegant looks. This one also, same material, same pattern, different color, beautiful color, bright looks also. This one, full base part. This one is full base part, very nice one, bottom portions heavy work. And this one, border portions, upper portions border, beautiful fine Dhakai Jamdani work. This one is soft resham Dhakai Jamdani floral buta, and this one is bottom portions, border portions heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one. This one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy fine Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. Soft, lightweight, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length. This one, full base part, beautiful heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, and beautiful color combinations also. And I will suggest this silk material, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous looks. This one also, beautiful color combinations, very elegant one, premium quality soft resham Dhakai Jamdani with heavy work, Dhakai Jamdani worked, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani, beautiful elegant color combination. This one, full base part. This one is bottom portions, border portions, fine Dhakai Jamdani work, and this one is upper border, beautiful fine Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, full base part, beautiful floral buta, and this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. And this one, full base part, very beautiful one. This one is border portions, bottom portions, very colorful Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, floral buta design, very nice one without running blouse piece, full base part is work. And this one, pallu part, very bright looks, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart and very elegant looks. This one, very bright color combinations, bright sky blue shade with contrast color, threaded weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. This one, full base part, very bright color combinations. This one is full base part, and bottom portions, border portions heavy Dhakai Jamdani work, very beautiful one, fully fine Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one is upper base part, buta pattern, floral pattern buta, Dhakai buta. And this one, full base part is same Dhakai Jamdani work without running blouse piece, only sari length. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, threaded weaving design, heavy work, Dhakai Jamdani work, very nice one, smart, elegant, bright looks, Bengal traditional Dhakai Jamdani. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also, beautiful one, off-white with red contrast, red green contrast looks, very nice one, bright beautiful looks. This one, full base part. This one is full base part. This one is border portions, upper border, beautiful fine Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, full base part, beautiful floral buta. And this one, pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, threaded weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work pallu. And this one, bottom portions, heavy worked bottom portions, border portions, traditional Dhakai Jamdani work, very colorful also, bright color, weaving design, Dhakai work. And this one, upper base part, and without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this silk material, buta work, brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart gorgeous looks. This one also, beautiful one, beautiful color combinations, also very elegant looks, premium quality pure handloom soft resham dhakai jamdani contrast color threaded weaving design pallu and border. This one is beautiful heavy worked pallu, and this one same border portions, heavy worked contrast color threaded weaving design border. And this one is full base part, beautiful bright looks, elegant also. This one is border portions, heavy worked fine weaving design dhakai work. And this one is upper base part, beautiful floral buta without running blouse piece, soft resham dhakai jamdani. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart elegant looks. This one also bright color combinations, very nice one, bluish purple shade, bluish purple with contrast color threaded weaving design, border portions, bottom portions, very bright one. This one full base part, this one is border, fine dhakai jamdani work border, and full base part is beautiful floral buta. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, traditional dhakai jamdani work pallu, heavy worked pallu. And this one is bottom portions, border portions, heavy worked border. This one is beautiful color combinations and heavy worked dhakai jamdani worked border, and without running blouse piece, only sari length. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your bright beautiful outstanding looks. And also very beautiful color combinations, very nice one, soft resham dhakai jamdani, beautiful color contrast color threaded weaving design dhakai work, fine dhakai jamdani work. This one full base part, beautiful color combinations with heavy jamdani work. This one is border portions, soft resham dhakai jamdani, bright color combinations. This one is pallu part, heavy worked pallu jamdani work. And this one is border portions, very beautiful one. This one is bottom portions, border portions, heavy worked dhakai jamdani work, soft resham dhakai jamdani without running blouse piece, only sari length, beautiful color. And I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, smart also. This one also very beautiful one, pure handloom cotton, premium quality soft cotton fabric, contrast border, and full base part is beautiful weaving jamdani buta design, and pallu also heavy work. This one is full base part, pure handloom premium quality cotton fabric, pure cotton with beautiful jamdani work buta. And this one border portions, contrast color border, highlighted stripes line. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully dhakai jamdani work pallu, pure cotton fabric with dhakai jamdani work, cotton dhakai jamdani, very nice one, elegant look, soft lightweight, based for your summer wear. This one is contrast color border, and this one full base part weaving buta design. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base, soft comfortable, very elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful stripes pattern, weaving stripes pattern, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart elegant looks. This one also very beautiful one, exclusive looks, very trendy smart one, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton contrast golden zari piping, full base part. This one is full base part, magenta pink shade, beautiful color combinations. And this one full base part is fine hand weaving buta design jamdani buta. And this one is contrast color golden zari piping, very smart trendy looks. And this one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton, very soft comfortable elegant looks, full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one pallu in golden zari patch pallu, very nice one, smart trendy looks, based for your office wear, daily wear with beautiful pom-pom design. And this one is full base, very elegant looks, smart elegant looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, cotton silk material ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, smart trendy one. This one also off-white base, very beautiful color combinations with golden zari piping, and full base part is multicolor fully hand weaving jamdani buta. And this one premium quality pure handloom charka cotton, very soft comfortable one, premium quality cotton fabric charka cotton, golden zari highlighted piping, and full base part is multicolor fine hand weaving buta design. Very nice one, smart elegant look, soft lightweight also, with running blouse piece, body set. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pallu also very beautiful one, golden zari stripes patch pallu, and this one is running blouse piece, same body set, and this one is pallu in. Very beautiful one, beautiful pom-pom design, and full base part is fine hand weaving buta design. This one is beautiful hand weaving buta design, very smart one. And I will suggest this cotton silk material ikat pattern contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks, smart bright also, very elegant looks. Also very beautiful bright color navy blue shade, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton, and very smart trendy looks, contrast color golden zari piping. This one full base part, very soft one, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice one. This one contrast color golden zari piping, and this one beautiful hand weaving buta design, navy blue shade, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton, very soft comfortable one. This one full base part, beautiful smart looks, running blouse piece, same body set. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, pallu end is golden zari patch, and beautiful pom-pom design, very nice one, smart trendy exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. This one also very beautiful color combinations, yellow shade with beautiful multicolor weaving buta design, same material, same pattern, premium quality pure handloom charka cotton, golden zari piping highlighted. This one is golden zari piping, and this one full base part, beautiful fine weaving buta design, and this one is full base part, very smart look, soft lightweight premium quality charka cotton with beautiful weaving buta design. And this one pallu end golden zari white patch pallu, beautiful pom-pom design, and this one full base part, very smart elegant looks, soft lightweight premium quality pure handloom charka cotton highlighted golden zari piping. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric, contrast color border, a very premium quality soft comfortable one with beautiful weaving buta design. This one is contrast color highlighted border, premium quality pure handloom cotton fabric, soft comfortable one with beautiful fine weaving buta design, very nice one, smart looks, very soft one, and beautiful color combinations also. Bright navy blue shade. This one is running blouse piece, and full base part is weaving buta work, hand weaving. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy worked hand weaving balachuri work, balachuri pattern work design, very smart elegant looks, fine weaving work, fully hand weaving design balachuri. And this one is pure cotton fabric, contrast color border buta design with balachuri heavy worked pallu. And I will suggest this cotton fabric printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. So very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton kota weaving design, contrast color border with Banarosi weaving highlighted golden zari work. This one contrast color border, and this one is beautiful golden zari weaving design, Banarosi stripes work, very nice one, beautiful hand weaving design. And this one is silk cotton kota Kota weaving design, silk cotton material, contrast border, highlighted golden zari weaving design, Banarasi work. And this one, full base part. This one is running blouse piece, contrast color. And this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work. Highlighted stripes, full base part is Kota weaving, and this one is jamdani work. Very nice one, smart, trendy looks. Contrast blouse piece. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Heavy fine hand weaving jamdani work. Very nice one, border, contrast border, Banarasi work. Full base part is Kota weaving. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding look. Smart, bright also, and very elegant also. And today I have draped a beautiful Dhakai Jamdani saree, beautiful color, and full base part is heavy Dhakai work. This one is bottom portions, border portions, heavy contrast color, threaded weaving design, Dhakai Jamdani work. And this one, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful, heavy worked pallu. Fully Dhakai Jamdani, very nice one, soft resham Dhakai Jamdani. Smart, elegant looks. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.